Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Local stakeholders have identified a way to put more forgotten mined-out bauxite lands into production. The initiative is also expected to boost Jamaica's castor oil production. More in this report from Aisha Nation.
You're looking at 75 to 100 million US dollars worth of opportunity in this liquid gold.
This is a plant involved in the global trillion-dollar trade. The beans from the castor oil plant are used to make ointments for wounds, skin moisturizers, hair oils, among other products. The plant grows very easily in Jamaica. It's why it is being called Jamaica's liquid gold. But the country isn't quite ready to take full advantage.
If we are looking into the effective ways of operating, we also know we need clean soil and clean seed. To work with ICA and other partners who have done the research and understand the distinctions between the different types of seeds and how it will fare here in Jamaica.
Many farmers are also not yet trained on how to cultivate the plant on a commercial level. The minister said the state is ready to lead in this regard.
There's a lot of work we have to do to make sure that we organize ourselves, to ensure that we train and that we upskill so we can maximize the potential of this liquid gold.
But if many of the issues can be solved, the industry could provide new opportunities for young people who want a career in agriculture.
The part of the sustainability in agriculture is that we must bring the young people up. We must train them up, put them out there in the field with you, side by side. Mentorship. Let them understand the opportunity. Let them understand say it's hard work. Make them understand hard work is not a bad thing. Bring them in.
The Agriculture Minister was speaking in Mandeville, Manchester at a castor bean forum. The forum was hosted by the Jamaica Bauxite Institute, JIB. The JIB is leading a new initiative that seeks to bring abandoned mined-out bauxite lands across the country into use for castor oil cultivation.
What we're speaking about is finding ways to not just improve production, but to reduce what we waste. And that cycle of sustainability means that what we used to call garbage 12, 20 years ago must be utilized now.
For the Business Day, I'm Aisha Nation.
Delivery application and service provider Huga app is closing its Jamaica operations. The El Salvador-based company shared the decision via a memo to partners dated March 17. It follows strategic planning after Huga was acquired by German-based Delivery Heroes. Upon entry into the local market in early 2021, Huga was set to provide about 300 jobs in the quick service delivery market, which saw a boom due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Based on the memo, Huga is to end the commission agreement it has with local partners on April 30 at 10 p.m. The delivery market across the world has been slowed down since the easing of COVID-19 restrictions. It is not clear whether Huga's operations across the region will be affected. The US dollar is being sold for an average $151.82. $111.05 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $184.64 for the pound, while it's costing an average $164.16 for the euros. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 2,022 points today, while the junior market index lost 32 points. Among the winners, Jamaica Public Service 7%, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Key Insurance and Paramount Trading Jamaica. The decliners include Sagicor Select Funds Financial, JMMB Group 7.35% CR Preference Shares, Sterling Investments, JMMB Group 7.15% CR Preference Shares, and Express Catering. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.